If you are a company where you have people and costs associated with project activities aimed at advancing what you do, then you could be eligible for R&D tax credits. R&D tax credits are government incentives for companies investing in research and development. This scheme, available in over 40 countries, helps businesses innovate and grow. Companies of all sizes can benefit, whether they're making a profit or not. Eligible activities can include advancing technology, products, or processes. Claims can be made for the current year and retrospectively for 2 previous years. The amount you can claim for depends on the size of your company, the period for which you are claiming, and other factors. Profit-making SMEs can receive up to 21.5%, while loss-making SMEs can receive up to 27% credit if they're R&D intensive. The key is to identify as much eligible expenditure as you can. The more you identify, the greater the value of the relief you'll receive from HMRC. There have been significant changes to the R&D tax relief regime over the last year. Starting April 2024, a new merged scheme will streamline the process. The new scheme simplifies the claiming process by unifying the rules for most businesses, and in some cases, removing the headache of navigating between different schemes. The new merged scheme offers a 20% credit rate for all sizes of companies, with the exception of loss-making SMEs that are R&D intensive, who will get extra support and benefit from a higher payable credit rate of 27%. The new merged scheme also abolishes restrictions related to grant-subsidized projects, making it easier for companies to claim the relief they deserve. Eligible costs include staff, software, utilities, subcontractors, and more. One important thing to remember: tax relief applies to all eligible project costs, whether they were successful or not. The government understands that true innovation can come from many failures, so the costs incurred in eligible project failures can qualify for tax relief. Since August 2023, all claims must be submitted digitally and include an additional information form, AIF, which must be uploaded via a new online portal. Any business wishing to claim R&D tax relief must complete the form. Without it, HMRC will not be able to process your claim. The AIF can be completed and submitted by your agent or accountant. Partner with Visiativ for a seamless R&D tax credit experience. We simplify the process, providing a complete end-to-end service. Our team combines technology, tax, and financial expertise, ensuring you're in safe hands. We stand firmly behind every claim we make. In the event of an inquiry, we'll defend your claim free of charge until we reach an agreement with HMRC. Unlock the full potential of your innovation with Visiativ. Contact us for a free consultation and analysis of the potential returns you might expect from your projects.